Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Doge has rallied a little bit in the last few days together with the entire sector, and we've also seen a break above this red trend line that we looked at in previous videos as a possible breakout setup. So what we want to do in this video, we want to take a look at which levels now need to hold in order to keep upside momentum alive on this chart. And also which levels need to hold, or which pattern needs to develop so that we can actually confirm that the larger B wave has indeed bottomed here on the 4th of July. So if we zoom in a little bit, first of all, we can see that this is a B wave pullback or correction, at least that's assumed. 5th of July turned around here at that 9-cent level, 9.4 cents, which was also one of the key levels mentioned in previous updates. For completing this correction, probably. And the reason is this is the 61.8 retracement, the golden ratio level, absolute key support level, and very likely that corrections finish, or at least that we see a temporary bounce in that area for the future. Yeah, the 61.8 retracement or anything relating to the golden ratio is very, very important. So we've seen a reaction, and then we took a look at the trend line here. So you see this descending trend line in red. And I highlighted to you, this could be a possible breakout setup because we had three to four touch points, and it did break out. And we're now consolidating below this next resistance level, which is here the green line, which is also a level I think we talked about. It's here the 12.9 cent level. You could say that the idea was that after breaking above the trend line, we would get to the next key level here around 13 cents. So this is great. However, it's only a 3-wave move up. So what we really need to see is a 5-wave pattern. Doge hasn't shown this yet. And Doge has also, in the third wave, not reached the minimum expectations. So in this yellow third wave, we haven't reached the 1.38 extension at 13.25 cents. But this would be ideal to get there in order to have a viable third wave. We don't have it at the moment. So this is only so far possibly all part of the third wave, but we haven't completed the third wave. At least, from a bullish point of view. I mean, of course it can form a top at any point, but I wouldn't trust this unless the third wave gets to the 1.38 extension. It's just important to understand that unless in an impulse or a diagonal, we don't really get to the 1.38 extension. If we don't get there, then the likelihood is still high that in any deeper pullback, the fourth wave will not hold support. So I'd prefer that, because microstructures in cryptos are often a bit messy and unclear, I would prefer to see here one more high, one more push to the upside to 13.25 cents. Looking at the microstructure, idea would be that this is an A, B, C structure in wave 3, and then within the C wave we have a small 1-2 setup, a third wave, maybe the fourth is going to form a triangle here, and then wave 5 to the upside. So this is how I see it. This is ideally not yet the larger fourth wave, but Doge might be forming a triangle here, and this could be a pennant, a bullish pennant. It's of course a little bit too early to say, but it has that look. Why is it too early to say? Because really all we have at the moment is a lower high and a higher low. We need a bit more of that, but this is already looking as if a pennant is forming, which could then send Doge in one more high, maybe towards 13.25 cents plus. And if we get there, then we can formulate the support region for wave 4. And then in a wave 5, we should get to at least 13.9 cents, ideally higher. So that's how I see this. Obviously, if it breaks down earlier, then this pattern might morph. But the most straightforward pattern to confirm a bullish scenario and to confirm that this B wave is bottomed would be a 5-wave move in this diagonal. And possibly wave 4 of C of 3 is still unfolding and might form a triangle. That's my update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.